Thank you for joining me for another video. We are going to be unboxing an item from Kate Spade. I did place this order probably about a week and a half ago. It arrived 2 days ago and we are finally going to unbox it together. So if you are a lover of pink, you definitely want to stick around. For Chickmas, Vlogmas, where I'll be vlogging and uploading every single day through Christmas Day, and also incorporating beauty, lifestyle, other videos in between. So there are definitely going to be a lot of uploads for the month of December. With that being said, if you're new here, I'm Christine and this channel is dedicated to beauty, lifestyle. We have vlogs as well, a little bit of everything. If that's something that interests you, please make sure you subscribe. We'd really appreciate it and would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Also, if you enjoy this video and find it helpful, please make sure you give it a like. I'm going to make sure to link this backpack down below in the description box. On the daily, are you guys more of a crossbody bag, a tote bag, a shoulder bag, backpack, or a mini backpack type of person? It's fine that mini backpacks are probably one of the easiest just to kind of throw on your back and not have to worry about it. That's why in most of the vlogs, I'm always wearing the Kate Spade Natalia mini backpack, which, you know, I was wearing it today. Unbox this together. Their shipping was a little bit delayed, I would say, because it is the holidays, so just keep that in mind if you are purchasing. You want to definitely allow time. Not really sure about what type of pink this is because there are so many different shades of pink, but I'm hoping that it's going to be a good match. It is packed quite nicely in here. I love it. Okay, let's take out all the wrapping and I'll give you guys the deets about this mini backpack. Here she is. This is called the Schuyler mini backpack. The color is Mitten Pink. It is a cooler tone pink, a little bit brighter than the baby pink, but it's very cute. It has the gold Kate Spade logo on the front, which is raised, which I really do like. It also has a little small pocket flap in the front, which does, oh, it's magnetized. So that's good. Quite tiny, but I'm sure you can fit maybe like a powder puff or, you know, something in here. The hardware is gold. And let's actually open it. Take out the stuffing so we can see exactly how much can fit in here. The zipper is pretty smooth. There's nothing worse than a bag or a backpack where the zipper is very jagged because it just makes it difficult. Inside it is pretty nice. It is also lined with the Kate Spade lining. It also has a pocket in the back. Seems like you can fit quite a bit of things in here. Some specs about the Schuyler mini backpack. Features a metal pin mount logo, which is the one here in the very front. It's also made of Saffiano PVC. If you're comparing it to the Natalia convertible mini backpack, the size is pretty much the same. It also has the top handle, and I like how this top handle is a bit more structured because it just gives it also more of an expensive look to it. The backpack straps are adjustable, and it also has this little loop so you can kind of tuck away the excess strap as well. In terms of the actual leather, I would say the Natalia mini backpack is a lot softer. This one is more structured. Side comparison between the two. Thought it was important that we also do a comparison and side by side to see exactly how much the Schuyler mini backpack can hold, since the Natalia has pretty much been my daily on the go backpack, and it holds the hand sanitizer, the other lens, mic, a bunch of lip products, blotting sheets, eye drops, all the essentials. Oh, also some camera batteries for the vlog camera. In the front, small zippered pocket, we just have a hair tie, but sometimes I like to throw in the extra vlog camera batteries. Now, placing all the items in the Schuyler mini backpack, at first I was skeptical that all these items would fit nicely inside, but I was very surprised that it was fitting in the backpack actually even better than in the Natalia, because since this is more of a structured backpack, it holds everything really well, and there was a lot of space to put everything. It's just all about placement. That's the only thing I found, but honestly it fits quite a lot, and I could probably even still fit my phone in here as well as some keys. So I was really surprised. And in the front pocket I was trying to put the blotting sheets, but it was a little bit too thick, but we made it fit, and we also placed the hair tie. Compared to the Natalia, I would say the Schuyler backpack was just a lot easier to place things into the backpack, and I like how you can see everything. The only downside would be the small little pocket in the front, because it is so thin and narrow and it's not stretchable, so it's kind of hard to place anything in there. I want something that, you know, I can basically just throw on. So let me just kind of throw it on right now, and you guys can kind of see what she looks like. Pretty good size. I'm probably just gonna throw in some clips here so you can see exactly how it looks when I'm wearing it. The perfect addition, especially because of its size. I don't really like a backpack that's too large, especially for my frame. 4, 9 1/4. You're probably gonna see me wear the hell out of this backpack during the month of December. It's a really pretty shade of pink on the cooler side, and it's just going to match so many different outfits. This is also available in another color, which I will link down below as well. Would love to know if you guys picked this up. Are you guys planning to pick it up? What are your thoughts on the mini backpacks from Kate Spade? Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chicky, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video.